Information this morning for workers at one of Charlotte's largest employers. Our news partner, the Charlotte Business Journal, reports Bank of America employees won't return to the office until after Labor Day. The bank says it has about 180,000 people working remotely right now. And in a memo to workers, the bank said it's seeing more COVID-19 cases among employees, especially those working from home.
More people are going to the hospital because of the virus, but we're seeing fewer who have to go into intensive care. Now, these are some new numbers from the state showing fewer ICU beds available month to month, but now we're seeing a slight increase in the number of those beds available, so some good news there. But in South Carolina, things are a little more concerning with a new high in hospitalizations. The CDC says that cases are spreading in the state faster than anywhere else besides Florida and Arizona. Governor McMaster, he's been pleading with South Carolinians, reminding them that we're still in a pandemic, keep wearing masks and keep social distancing. And he hasn't made any statewide mask orders, though. Now, some medical experts argue South Carolina opened its businesses too soon, and that's why the percentage of cases in the state is so high.
We need to have a better response to this than we do now. This opening experiment has obviously failed.
Dr. Helmut Albright, he heads the internal medicine division at USC School of Medicine. And he said that the state needs a mask mandate because too many people have let their guard down. School leaders are trying to figure out the best plan for teaching students this fall, and that could include in-person teaching or online classes, but maybe a combination of both.
Yeah, now President Trump is threatening to pull funding from schools that don't reopen. He made that statement in a series of tweets yesterday. But several Democrats and Republicans in Congress say he just doesn't have the authority to do that. Vice President Mike Pence says the tweets show how much the president cares.
What you heard from the president is just a determination to provide the kind of leadership from the federal level that says that we're going to get our kids back to school because that's where they belong.
Now, the vice president also suggested that instead of pulling funding, they could offer incentives for schools to reopen. He also said that they will respect decisions made by communities that have rising cases. Meanwhile, the CDC is getting ready to release updated guidelines next week for returning to schools. The president disagrees with that guidance, calling it tough and expensive. The CDC director says it wasn't meant to deter schools from reopening.
But I want to make it very clear that what is not the intent of CDC's guidelines is to be used as a rationale to keep schools closed. We're prepared to work with every school and every school district to help them find the right mixture of strategies for them to do this safely.
All right, let's get you caught up on the three options North Carolina leaders are discussing. First is all in person. Second, a mix of online and in person. And then third, all online. And we're still working to find out when Governor Cooper could make that decision.